Say you're an account manager and you have a big customer meeting coming up fast. Let's use Copilot Cowork to handle it. Because it connects directly into Work IQ, it doesn't rely on connectors, which only captures fragments of data and lacks full context about you and how you work. You need the latest account updates turned into a briefing doc, usage and sales trends to dig deeper, and a presentation you can walk into the room with. That's a lot of moving pieces. Copilot Cowork doesn't just respond. It takes your full request, breaks it into tasks, and carries the work forward, start to finish. But this isn't prompt and response. You can interrupt, steer, and add to it as you go. You remember you want to schedule prep time with your team and send a status update to the broader account team. Cowork folds it into the plan without pausing what's already in motion. It checks schedules and sends a meeting proposal your way, which you can book right then and there. Then it crafts the email, which you can edit manually and hit send, bringing the power of Outlook right into the flow of work. Now let's see what it put together for us. It creates a briefing doc packed with an account snapshot and everything relevant for the room. And it keeps to your original template formatting, a presentation that lays out the opportunities and your competitive edge, and a sales and usage breakdown with graphs and charts to back it up. All saved directly to OneDrive, so the content is immediately enterprise knowledge that's protected and ready for collaboration. While all of this is happening, Cowork is moving all your tasks forward at once, and because it runs inside Microsoft 365, security and compliance come built in. This is Copilot Cowork, built for real work.